And you are clear to drop. Farther south than your last drop.
Yeah, 3-6, good drop, we'll take one, same structure group on.
Yeah, I saw you right there at the end of the draw. You were hiding behind a bush. Did I get you?
Yeah, a little bit, I'm good. I'll move out of the way.
Wave at me there, Fort Apache, so I know for sure what you're talking about. Right there. Zipper, go ahead and put a drop on this. Okay, we're headed in. Everybody's clear? You're clear.
Yep.
769, Fister.
Fister, 69. Go ahead, partner.
Why don't we split you guys and have you come back over to my drops, and we'll keep 767 with Fort Apache as long as they need them.
Cool, Fister. Talk 742.
Oh shit! Oh, that's cool water!
Side hill, and then I think it crosses the drainage to the west.